Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and today my video is all about things to stop doing with your money. So, the first thing to stop doing with your money is paying too much interest. Now, if you have credit card debts, if you have personal loans, car loans, and you are paying a significantly high interest rates, what I strongly suggest you to do is to put all your energy, put all your time, all your money to pay off those debts as fast as possible. Unfortunately, what a lot of people do is that they have all these debts accumulated and then they're trying to invest as well. And the thing to be mindful of with that is, you can potentially earn a great interest rate on the investment, but if you're paying 20 or so interest on your credit card debt, you've literally wiped out the earnings that you've made on your investment. So focus on paying off your personal debts first, and then focus on creating wealth. So that's the first thing to stop doing with your money, is to stop paying too much interest. So the second thing to stop doing with your money is buying high and selling low. And now this is something that we all tend to do, and I can understand why we do it. We tend to feel safe when everyone else is doing what we're doing. We tend to listen to the media, we listen to family, we listen to friends, and if they are all doing it, then it must be right. And unfortunately, when it comes to creating wealth, this does not help when you buy high and sell low. So be mindful of doing that. So when it comes to investing, one of the things I talk to people about is always focus on the fundamentals of the company that you're investing in. Research the leadership, the management team. Research what they do. Are they good at what they do? And irrespective of whether the markets are going up or down, if you research the company well, they will perform well over the years, and your investment will grow over the years. So always focus on the fundamentals of the company. Try not to buy high and sell low. And finally, the third thing to stop doing with your money is buying things that we don't need. Now, unfortunately, I know we all do this, but one of the things I always suggest is ask yourself, do I really need this thing that I want to buy? Do I really need that extra cafe latte? Do I really need those extra pair of shoes? Do I really need that new car? And if you don't, then don't buy it. And it will help if you're constantly asking yourself that question, do I really need it? Then it will prevent you from impulse buying. And so that's the third thing, is to stop buying things that you don't need. So they're my 3 tips, or my 3 things to stop doing with your money. Number 1 is paying too much interest. Number 2 is buying high, selling low. And finally, the third one is buying things that we don't need. That's it from me. If you have any questions, would love to hear your comments below. If you have any topics that you'd like me to discuss in future videos, please write them as well, and I will definitely do a video on those topics down the track. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye.